gonna get a haircut pretty soon, because if you guys can see, I haven't gotten a haircut in like 2 months. I haven't gotten a haircut in a while. So let me know how you think that the haircut looks, guys. Alright guys, so I just got back from the barber shop. This is the haircut that I had gotten. Let me know what you guys think about it. But the one thing that I hate about going to the barber shops is the fact that all of the little hairs that get onto your nose drive me crazy too. Okay, I'm currently taking my jog outside. It looks like a thunderstorm is about to start, so I need to hurry up and get back home. My mom's calling me. We're so close, yet we're so far. Apparently they're already shooting fireworks into the skies right now. It's not even the 4th of July yet. Guys, don't laugh, but on every Saturday, in every single one of my vlogs, I'm going to give you a checkup called the weekly refrigerator checkup, just so you guys see how fast our food disappears. So I will present to you the weekly refrigerator checkup. That's the weekly refrigerator checkup.
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started.
Have I become a little too shy for love? I've been hurt before. All's fair in love and war. So I snuggle up close to the shell I'm lit.
It tastes exactly like Pepsi. I don't get the difference.
No, I'm spinning in a vicious cycle. I'm scared of doing something I'll regret.
Okay, guys, so I have to use the restroom so badly. So I have to find a restroom right now. Those people behind me got in the truck and then moved from there to here.
What if I'm incomplete without you by my side? What if I go against my heart instead of confessing from the start? What if I miss out on the life meant for us? I need you by my side.
The restroom's currently out of order. That's just ridiculous.
Should I be scared? The feeling's so different now. It got me floating here, a feather in the air. Oh, but when the wind blows, will I tumble or sail away? Or would you have me stay? And what if I escape? I know
I'm spinning in a vicious cycle. I'm scared of doing something I'll regret. Maybe this is right, but I'm still staring at your silhouette. But what if you're everything I need? A fire in my heart, the air I breathe. What if I'm incomplete without you by my side? What if I go against my heart instead of confessing from the start? What if I miss out on the life meant for us? I need you by my side, by your side. I'm not afraid. We found something that'll never fade. We can be ourselves and figure out the rest along the way. But what if you're everything I need? A fire in my heart, the air I breathe. What if I'm incomplete without you by my side? And what if I go against my heart instead of confessing from the start? What if I miss out on the life meant for us? I need you by my side. I need you by my side. I need you by my side.
Okay, guys, so I've just gotten done eating pizza. The pizza was tasted very good. However, the kitchen is a mess right now. My grandmother is going to kill me if I don't clean it. I don't think that you should consume this. so I'm currently going to the local store that's nearby. I have to get a carton of milk now, of course, because my cousins eat way too much cereal every morning, and because of that, we have just ran out of milk, and now my grandmother's blaming that on me. They've literally canceled it and it's now raining. I'll see you guys in the next vlog.
She moved to Whitechapel where she followed rank the devil's architects.